Hey, what? What's happening now? Hey, what? What's happening? Oh, but what did they do you now? Say now until this thing fall on top of my head, you dey mad? Now make you walk. Where you can't do all this? Can't carry this to come up for you. I can't leave me, Jare. Now me you dey open eye for. Bobby, keep quiet, Jare. Make a quick. I go wipe you. I go wipe you this thing. Bobby, keep quiet. Every time call this shop. You don't open eye for me. Bobby, now you. I go wipe you. I go wipe you something.
What's the problem?
I can't confess your work. Confess what you do.
With that, you come up.
With that condition here.
I don't want to come and make a feel this thing come up for here. I don't got time here.
Not because I time here. With that condition. I go wipe you. With that condition. Where you gonna open for me like that? Now me you dey.
Say you want time here. I don't got time here.
Bobby, now you.
I don't want to.
You dey push me.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait.
Nothing concern for you.
Nothing concern with you. Make I just feel this thing for here.
Now with that
I'm not got time for this place.
Yeah, you dey mad. With that condition, Bobby. I go wipe you. Bobby, nothing you go do.
What you do that problem?
Say you to the man. Face what you dey do.
I can't reach you for light come here.
Nothing go. I go knock. Nothing go do. You dey push me.
You don't dey fight. You don't dey fight. Leave her.
You don't kill her.
I didn't kill him.
You like say you dey mad, abi? What do you want with this thing?
Eva is gone.
Where they gone? Your papa dey whine me.
But there you are. What happened to my brother?
See what he take wipe your brother.
My brother.
What is my
brother? My brother. What is my brother?
I didn't kill him. No, it's not me. This guy don't kill anyone. Men are come. It's not me. Men could have come.
My brother.
He don't kill anyone. Why? Glad they mad now, be mad. What happened? He killed her.
Jagaban baba. Ọlọ́run daga. Mo kí yín Ọlọ́run mo kí yín. Jagaban. Baba mo kí yín Ọlọ́run.
Bobby.
Baba.
Bobby.
Báyìí mo rí ẹ. Baba afa Jagaban. Wọ́n ti pọ̀ mọ́ yín o. Ọlọ́run AY ti kú. AY don die. You get one guy for my working.
Which AY you talk about?
Calm down baba. You get one guy for our workshop. His name na IK. They get one quanta. You guys just carry one iron, wipe am for head.
You mean my own AY? I want AY.
Jaga. Yeah.
Bobby.
You must be joking. Bobby. Baba. Jagaba. Baba.
AY wo?
AY ti ń sẹ́.
Jagaban. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an?
Wọ́n fún
Puja. Baba. 2 seconds. Jagaban. AY. Bobby.
Àní mo fà á. Èmi gan mo fà á mo fọ́ fún iṣẹ́ mo fún wá mo fún tú. Ọmọ ẹ ó fà fà mí ó dé ọ̀họ́ níṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
2 seconds. Come here. Puja. Puja. You hear what I hear? You know him. Puja. You go follow her. You come here. You go follow her. With her. I'll go beat that boy. Dead or alive. Oh, you know him. You know him, Baba. You know him. Puja. That boy. I need him dead or alive. I go deliver. In fact. Baba.
I need that boy.
Baba.
Okay, Baba. I want to chop this.
Oh, say you know the place.
I'm on money.
You know the place.
I know you place.
Oh, where to go? Yes.
Make it out your place.
I'm on my ear. Hey. Come. No. You. Let them go do that store first. If the thing, the Peter boy come here. Do anything. I love that. For this wood, I can't put that. After you know now. It can. Sit down. Guys, this place now.
My own person. And that day, sir, me, I see everything with my eye. And they tell me, oh, my boy, oh, correct.
My own person.
As in, I don't back correct, sir. Oh,
My own person.
tell you.
No. Kojere. No.
See, I did there. You think they be like, say, you know, like a thief, you understand?
Now check the bag. All the corner.
Don't check everywhere. We don't see him.
Come. No, check. Where is that again? Oh, you live there now?
Yes, I don't
You
know.
live here?
I don't know exactly.
What are you up to this morning? When did you become a cow?
It's not a cow. Good morning. I'm just trying to make a list. I'm tired of staying at home, not doing anything. I want to see if I can start selling some good in front of.
It's not a bad idea. It's a lofty idea, but you have to exercise some patience because I am expecting some payment. You know what? Remember I told you Don Jazzy will soon sign me, their record label. And once they sign me, they will drop this bulk money. I'll give you for even more money, not even 400,000 now, to start your business. Let me even see what you're writing. Basket of onion, 100,000. Bags of 100,000.
If you give me the 400, it will be okay.
I will, until I get the payment that I'm telling you about.
Okay.
Yes, very, very soon. Just brace yourself. I'll put a smile, a big smile on your face. Fine, your mom.
Thank you.
Can you come put that?
Okay. Oh, bye-bye. Don't just
Watch full video on our YouTube channel and subscribe.